Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to explore the world of Phloroglucinol Trimethylphloroglucinol, a medication that can be a great help if you use it responsibly. So what exactly is Phloroglucinol Trimethylphloroglucinol? It's an antispasmodic, which means it fights painful muscle spasms or contractions. It is often used to relieve stomach aches, menstrual cramps, and other digestive discomforts. And how does it work? This medication works by relaxing smooth muscles, which are the muscles we have in our digestive tract and other internal organs. By relaxing them, the pain and discomfort caused by spasms is reduced. Regarding the dosage and how to take it, the most important thing is to strictly follow your doctor's instruction. Generally, the starting dose may vary from case to case, but the usual dose is to take one 80-milligram pill 3 times a day. Then, to continue the treatment, the dose can be adjusted depending on how your body reacts. Remember to always take it with a glass of water and never exceed the recommended amount. Let's talk about side effects and precautions. Like any medication, Phloroglucinol Trimethylphloroglucinol can cause side effects, but not everyone experiences them. Possible side effects include dizziness, nausea, and allergic reactions. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to contact your doctor immediately. It is also essential that you avoid it if you already know you are allergic to any of its ingredients. In short, Phloroglucinol Trimethylphloroglucinol can be very effective in relieving pain and spasms, but only if used correctly. Always follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to any side effects you may experience. Thanks for watching. I hope this information has been helpful. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.